Like to wish all our students, colleagues, very happy Republic Day. You know, I don't want to take too long, but just a few words. First and foremost, I think we'll have to understand the Republic Day, the spirit of Constitution. See, I generally feel that people should understand what is a constitution. The spirit and the values by which we wanted our civilization, the nation, budding nation, to be interpreted, should be understood and should be respected is what was the original essence of constitution. Now over time, as you can imagine, the spirit is constant, but with the changing world, changing context, the way the spirit needs to be grounded or interpreted will keep evolving. And that's why our constitution also keeps evolving with amendments and so on. But what we should understand is the spirit behind it. Oftentimes you hear people saying, if constitution was so sacrosanct, why is it being changed? As if change is a mistake. Change is not a mistake. Change is adopting the spirit of the constitution to the changing context. Change is inevitable. For anyone to think change is diluting the constitution, they don't understand the very spirit of what constitution is. Change has to be there. Change will adopt the spirit, but people will have to always stay true to the spirit. When people interpret constitution for convenience, play by the letter, forgetting about the spirit, you are not really paying tribute to the constitution. On the eve of this Republic Day, I think all of us should respect that spirit of what the constitution is. Now that's one aspect. The other thing is that, I see a lot of these activities which are very good. See, all of these activities are actually a way of getting out the spirit, fervor, the energy, the dedication in each one of you. Every one of us has this innate fire, energy of certain fervor and expression, which we need to get out. And each one of us has different ways in which we are passionate, we want to passionately get out that fire and energy within us. And such events, such activities would actually, I am very sure, gives each one of you a platform and a mechanism through which you can express your, fervor, fire, energy, however you call it, dedication to the nation. These are very important because ultimately all this, beyond all this pomp and rigor, there is a symbolic expression of the might of the country, the aspiration of the country, the values which we want to represent as a civilization country, and how we want the world around us to perceive us as a nation. We want to project ourselves as a strong country which has its own values backed by a very, very old civilization. So we should understand this spirit behind the whole idea of constitution, and Republic Day is essentially a celebration of that spirit of constitution. So I hope all of you continue to respect the concept of what we are as a nation, a republic, what we stand for, and we'll all, and our time is a little bit running away, I suppose, but young generation should carry this spirit forward and keep on pushing the nation as a guiding light to the world. Thank you for this opportunity.